I don't know. I got a green kazoo and a crap load of stickers. Holy crap. Got a little giveaway win from Rob's Nerdy Knives. F load of stickers. Cool, very cool. Goodness. Okay. Under all that, we have a Kansept. Dirk Pinkerton Design Main Street. All right, had to go give the dog a bath. She was talking to the neighbor dog and got all muddy. Anyway, got the Main Street. Dirk Pinkerton Design. Yeah. Nice Warncliffe. Main Street. 154 cm. The black micarta. A little jimping back here. Liner lock. Kansept makes some good feeling knives. They feel pretty durable. I like their knives. This jimping's got like a spine going through the top. Let's see. What cut paper that's been cut. It will slice paper that's been cut. It's good and sharp. Yeah, this is cool. I like that black micarta. I don't think I've had anything with black micarta before. Looks good. Drop shut. Let's see, another Kansept there. My toolbox. Keep this one in the toolbox. Just a good utility type knife. It's the egress. Let's see. A little bit. About the same blade and length. Egress is a little bigger, a little taller. It's a good toolbox knife. Yeah, pretty cool. Main Street. Good looking Warncliffe. Oh, it's got a nice pocket clip. Cool. You can put it up here if you want. Why would you do that? I don't know. Pretty cool. The main street. Thanks for watching. Oh. I did it.